So today I'm going to be making two quick and easy and tasty vegan meals. The first is going to be a ready-made vegan ravioli. You can find them in quite a few supermarkets, so get one of those. And then to go with it, I'm going to be making a buttery, oily sauce to go with it. So watch out for that. So first you'll want to go and get the water boiling for the ravioli. And then for the butter sauce, you want to whisk that quite often. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can add in pecans or walnuts into the pan. And then that'll take it to the next level in flavour. But I don't have that today, so yeah. The second recipe is a miso tahini noodle recipe, vegan, and it's great, quick, good for summer, and yeah, it's going to be good. Okay, so first I'm going to fry off my vegan bacon lardons. You can use any protein you want, tofu, tempeh, whatever you wish, yeah. Now boil your noodles. Now for the tahini miso dressing. Please follow the instructions. Add tahini and some warm water. Add miso paste. Add soy sauce, maple syrup and some lime juice. So yeah, thanks for watching. Those are my two quick, easy, tasty vegan meals, and I hope you make them. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and okay, see you later. Today I will be making a vegan wrap. Okay, so start off by frying the vegan mincemeat. Now you can use any sort of protein you like, beans, chickpeas, tofu, whatever you fancy, whatever you have. Then add the spice mix in. Add in tomato puree, maple syrup and soy sauce. I'm going to warm up the wraps now. Okay, so that's how you fold up a wrap. That's how I do it. And yeah, so yeah. So I also added the smoky mince to the wrap, and then I also added some tomatoes, some avocado, just for a bit of extra taste. We got this good weather, although it is windy, so yeah, it'll be nice, refreshing, a little bit spicy, a little bit smoky, but nothing I can't handle, nothing you can't handle, so it's good. So there we go, that's a wrap, excuse the pun. And let me try some on camera while I'm here. So here we go. Yep, it's sweet, it's smoky, it's not too dry. The combination with the spice, the sweet, the avocado, the tomato is perfect. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, see you. See you later.